Yeah. Welcome back, guys. Paperboy Entertainment. The Real Mike Cart. Unboxing. WWE. Brawn Stroman. Let's do this. Brawn Stroman. Looks kind of like a He-Man kind of guy.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh. Brawn Stroman. Okay, so this is a code. You can call, you can
go on the internet.
Go on the internet, play a game on your phone. I don't need that, right? I'm gonna play with a toy, Brawn Stroman.
Ace like that?
Yeah.
It actually looks really good.
Oh, it looks real. Like.
I know.
So now he's gonna be attacking me. What's up, Brawn Stroman? You trying to be on the show or something? Did I hear you say something? Oh, Brawn Stroman! Brawn Stroman! Look out! Got it. Grimlock. Transformers. Five Below. Nice pickup. Finally get it. I forgot all their names.
He looks good though.
Somehow.
That guy looks good. That guy looks good. Starscream. There's the original. Right there, he's pissed.
It's supposed to be that Constructicon.
Okay, the Destructicon.
The Constructicon.
Constructicon.
But what's it? Devastating.
Devastation. Planet. So, what's going on?
We got a new Transformer to add to the collection. Grimlock. Let's go ahead and open it up.
Yeah.
Dinobots, guys. Dinobots are some of the coolest Transformers, don't you think? This is
really
T-Rex. Okay, so this shows
okay, so he's gonna be a dinosaur or what? That's a Dinobot. Holy.
It's a Dinobot. What's most important? The Dinobot.
I bet you like GoBot. Okay, so I got you.
So they found out
that they were doing
that
it.
they were making,
and they're like, oh yeah,
we're gonna make our own.
We're gonna make it better knockoff.
Try to careful, guys, because the
same thing.
We're gonna try to put it back on. Straight from China, guys.
Straight from China. $5 to make. Hey, what's this guy doing right now? Hey.
It's like one of those.
What is this guy coming in Ninja Force?
Ninja guy, no?
Bro, look at him, bro. Look at this is good footage right here.
Hey, I can fly too on a Dinobot.
This is the fucking time lapse right there.
Yeah, we can do that. Let's try to transform him, guys. See, so it says. Well, we don't have to read that, do we? I think we do.
Yeah, you might want to read the instructions.
Okay, number 1. It says, I have no idea. Number 2.